If your window screen is torn or worn down, it's time for a replacement. Here's what you need to know to choose the right one. Different mesh types offer different benefits. Fiberglass screens are flexible, durable, and resist corrosion. Aluminum screens are rust-resistant, less prone to sagging, and more durable than fiberglass. Polyester screens are a heat and fade-resistant option. Stainless steel screens are fire-resistant and ideal for high-traffic areas. Copper screens are durable, and the bronze finish can enhance architectural elements. Got pets? Choose a heavy-duty screen that's designed to withstand pet damage. Get relief from the sun with a solar screen that reduces heat and glare, blocking up to 90% of UV rays. An insect-resistant screen, sometimes called a no-seam screen, has a tightly woven mesh to keep tiny insects from entering your home. Privacy screens limit visibility into your home while still letting you see out. A few basic tools can help you replace your window screen. You'll need a spline to secure the screen to the frame and a rolling tool to press it into the frame. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the old spline and a utility knife to cut screen overhang or excess spline. For small holes, you can use screen patch kits instead of replacing the entire screen. Once you get your hands on the right materials and tools, replacing a window screen is a straightforward DIY project. Visit Lowe's.com for more information, helpful guides, and to find the products you need.